It identified a rare disease that had eluded local doctors, providing a diagnosis that was not just accurate but timely. But the AI tool didn't stop there. It went further, predicting potential complications and suggesting a comprehensive treatment plan, offering hope where there was despair. Sophia's story is not an isolated incident, it's a glimpse into the future of healthcare. A future where AI not only diagnoses and treats, but also transforms how we approach health and wellness. But AI's role isn't limited to diagnosis, it's revolutionizing treatment and surgical procedures as well. AI can craft personalized treatment plans, taking into account a patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. It can also vigilantly monitor patient progress, alerting healthcare professionals to any changes or complications. Moreover, in the operating room, AI assists in complex surgeries with a level of precision and consistency that humans often struggle to achieve. AI is not here to replace doctors, but to empower them. So, what does the future hold for AI in healthcare? You might ask. The potential is vast, almost unimaginable. AI is set to democratize healthcare, especially in underserved areas, making world-class diagnosis and treatment accessible to all. Imagine a world where distance, socioeconomic status, or infrastructure no longer dictate the quality of healthcare one receives. But as with any revolution, there are challenges. Data privacy is a significant concern. As we move towards AI-driven healthcare, the amount of personal health data that will be generated and shared will be enormous. Ensuring the safety and privacy of this data will be paramount. And then there's the human touch. The empathetic connection between a doctor and a patient is a vital part of healing. Finding a balance between AI efficiency and human empathy will be a crucial part of this transformation. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution in healthcare, one thing is certain. Healthcare as we know it is transforming, and the future looks promising.